I'm just so excited, honestly. In today's conversation, I want to talk to you about the top 10 easy loans online, easy and large loans online. Don't go anywhere. You're going to love today's conversation. I guarantee it. Welcome back, folks, to another edition of the Awesome Sturdy Kiwi Show. How are you today? I hope you are doing fantastic. I'm doing marvelous, if you are to ask me. If you are doing as great as I am, go grab a cup of coffee or tea or vodka, and let's roll. In today's conversation, I want to talk to you about the top 10 easy large loans online. Number 10, we have Up Loans. Our score, 7 over 10. With Up Loans, a soft pull is possible. In other words, you don't risk a hard inquiry if you don't want to, all right? You have loans amount from $500 to $4,000. You have fast funding, and the whole application process is very fast. You can apply online, and it is also a mobile-friendly process, okay? And what we love is that with Up Loans, you have a constellation of benefits. You get your money fast, you get a relatively low APR, and you have personalized service. So they will actually reach out to you. They will work you through the whole process. If you need some information, they'll answer you. What are the eligibility requirements? You got to be at least 18 years or older. And if you are in Alabama, you have to be 19 years old. You need to have a bank account, checking account or savings account. So you need to be bankable. You need to actually have a regular source of income. So income can be from employment or from benefits, including Social Security, disability, okay? Note that alimony, child support, or separate maintenance income is optional to include. And you need to receive paychecks through direct deposit. Okay, so this is something you need to think about. And due to state regulations, New Mexico residents are exempt from these requirements. So you can use the money for everything. You can use an Up Loans loan for car repair, for home repair, for debt consolidation, or you can use the loan to help pay off your medical debt. You have a lot of options. Number 9, folks, we have here Credit Ninja. Our score, 7.5 over 10. So with Credit Ninja, a soft pull is not possible. So please only apply for this loan if you are ready, because they are going to do a hard pull. And basically, you can get a loan up to $5,000. Okay, so those are unsecured loans. And it can go from $100 to $5,000. And they want you don't need actually a checking account to accept your loan funds, okay? But they want you to have employment. It can be full-time, part-time, it can be seasonal job, it doesn't matter. But you need to have a verifiable source of income, okay? And we also, with Credit Ninja, we also love the fact that they have a personalized approach. They will work with you. They have a customer service staff. They have people on staff that will work with you, and if you have any question, ask them. You have quick approval. You only apply for this loan. It takes about 5 minutes. You can apply online. They have interest in decent interest rates. You have shorter or longer loan terms available. You have no prepayment penalties, no hidden fees, and this loan is designed to help improve your financial situation. Okay, Credit Ninja, 7.5 over 10. Number 8, folks, we have OneMain Financial. Our score, 8 over 10. Soft pull is possible with this lender, okay? So you can actually apply, you can check your rate without risking any hard inquiry. And here we are talking about personal and auto loans from $1,500 to $20,000, okay? And we love the fact that they have been doing this for more than 100 years. Think about that, 100 years. Okay, you have fixed rates and fixed payments, and you have a personalized service process that allows you to actually you can go to a OneMain Financial location. Okay, so this is you can apply for this loan online, but if you want to go to a branch, quote unquote branch, they can actually connect with you as well. So when we talk about personal loan from OneMain Financial, you can actually take the loan for everything else. You can take care of let's say that consolidation or vacations or medical costs. It doesn't really matter. They don't put restrictions on the loan that they give you. Okay, and so what I want to say here is that you need to pay attention to how the whole thing works. So you need to have financial, employment, and personal info that you need to give to OneMain Financial, and they will also need from you your financial statements to have a clear idea of your financial situation, all right? And a loan specialist will reach out to you. They will basically verify things like identity, income, expenses, and any needed collateral on the phone, online, or at a branch. And between, let's say within 2 to 3 days, you can get your money. Number 7, folks, we have Lending Club, our score, 8.5 over 10. A soft pull is possible here. And here with Lending Club, you have a very easy online loans that goes all the way to $40,000, okay? And this is pretty good. Think about it, $40,000. You can consolidate debt. You can use the money for anything you want. There is no prepayment penalty, okay? And you basically are able to use the cash to advance your financial situation, okay? And you can apply within minutes. You get customized loan options based on what you tell Lending Club. And you choose a loan offer. So you select things like the rates, the term, and the payment options you like best, and you get funded. Easy as that. And what we love is that Lending Club is basically they basically give you several options, and it's up to you to choose the one that works for you. We also love the fact that they're really fast. They are really fast. You can apply within minutes and get offers within 24 hours. In some cases, you could be approved within 12 hours. So this is really good. So Lending Club, 8.5 over 10. Number 6, folks, we have here Upgrade, our score, 9 over 10. And Upgrade is one of the easiest loans online that we have seen. And a soft pull is possible. You have personal loans up to $50,000, okay? And you have low fixed rate, affordable monthly payments, no prepayment fees. This is really good. We love the fact that with Upgrade, if the cool thing is, if you do not, let's say you do not get approved for the loan, you could be approved for the credit card, because they do have a credit card also. So this is really great. You could use the money for anything you want. You can refinance credit cards. You can take care of debt consolidation. Okay, so you can take care of home improvements if you need to. You get the funds you need to remodel, repair, or build the home you want without the hassle of refinancing or taking out a home equity loan. This is really good. If you have a major purchase to take care of also, you can actually get an Upgrade loan for that. So they have a very quick and easy process. So basically, you check your rate. This is where the soft pull comes into play. So you apply online in minutes, and you see your rate with no obligation or impact to your credit score. You can choose your loan. So you basically review multiple loan options and decide which offer is best to help you achieve your financial goals. And you have 1-day funding. This is really good. So you actually accept an offer, and you should receive your money in your bank account within 24 hours. Of course, they need to make sure that they have the necessary verification. They need to verify your income. They need to verify your identity, all that kind of stuff. But things can happen. Things can go real fast. Upgrade, 9 over 10. Number 5, folks, we have Avant, our score, 9 over 10 also. With Avant, you're looking at, with Avant, a soft pull is possible, okay? So no risk there of a hard inquiry. So loans range from $2,000 to $35,000, and the APRs range from 9.95 to 35.99%. In terms of loan terms, you are looking at 24 to 60 months, okay? There is an admin fee of a maximum 4.75%. And we love the fact that with Avant, you have fast funding, so the money can be deposited into your account within 24 hours. You have fixed payments, so there are no surprises. Everything is transparent. And we love the fact that you can actually talk to people at Avant. So they have this personalized touch that's there. And you have a convenient options. So you can use, you can pay online, or you can use the Avant app to make payments, not a problem. And you can use the money for a constellation of reasons, okay? You can consolidate your debt, your existing debt, you can cover your emergencies, you can improve your home. It's totally up to you. You can make big purchases, not a problem, okay? So Avant, again, we have $2,000 to $35,000, 24 to 60 months, 9.95% to 35.99%. That's actually the range you're looking at when it comes to APR. Number 4, folks, we have here Best Egg, our score, 9.5 over 10. Folks, we are still talking about the top 10 largest easy loans online, okay? We are Best Egg, 9.5 over 10. With Best Egg, a soft pull is possible. You have low fixed APR, personal loans up to $50,000. You can check your rate in minutes, not a problem, with no risk to your credit score, okay? And what we love is that with Best Egg is kind of similar to Avant, kind of similar to Upgrade. At the end of the day, it's all about you trying all these platforms and seeing which works for you. And the cool thing is you don't have to actually risk anything because they do a soft pull. So you have no risk of a reduction in your credit score, okay? And so when we talk about Best Egg, we are talking about a loan that allows you to do nearly everything. So you can manage your debt by simplifying your bills. You can put your credit card debts behind you. You can determine how much you need to get things done, okay? We're looking at $2,000 to $50,000. You can handle household remodeling, car repairs, vacations, and even medical expenses. And the cool thing about Best Egg is that you make one fixed monthly payments, okay? You enjoy a pretty decent APR. You have 6% to 36%. The loan terms 3 to 5 years, okay? 3 or 5 years, okay? So the constellation of things you can do, so you can use the money for debt consolidation. I've said that before, but also you can do credit card refinancing. You can actually move loans also. Let's say you want to move. Let's say you have a high interest rate loan that you want to refinance. You can do that as well. You can do home improvements, other major purchases, vacation loans, special occasions. Let's say wedding or this kind of stuff, baby and adoption. Also, you can also take the money to actually help in the moving processes. Let's say you have to relocate, all that kind of stuff. Number 3, folks, we have here Navy Fed. Our score 9.5 over 10. And Navy Federal is a credit union, and a soft pull is not possible. So with Navy Fed, you got to be ready. So because once you apply, they will do a hard pull. And with Navy Fed, you basically need to also be a member, okay? But it's not really difficult. You don't have to have any military affiliation or professional or geographic affiliation to qualify, or even biological affiliation to qualify. Just give them a call, and nearly everyone is, nearly anyone can participate. They can be a member. So with Navy Fed, you have actually several loans, but we want to focus on what they call the personal expense loan. And so if you need a personal loan, Navy Fed has an option to fit your unique needs, and they may even be able to deposit funds directly into your checking or savings account. But Navy Fed is great. It's best to have an account with them. I mean, you need to have an account with them anyway, okay? So you can use the money for planned or unplanned expenses, great for auto repairs, moving and relocating, vacations, and other major expenses. The loan goes from $250 to $50,000, okay? And the APR goes from 7.49% to 18%, depending on the length that you choose. And they also have home improvement loans. They have debt consolidation loans. They have savings secure loans. Fantastic. I'll be right back right after this. Don't go anywhere. Number 2, folks, we have Upstart. Our score 10 over 10. With Upstart, a soft pull is possible. Definitely. And we love the fact that Upstart gives you a personal loan that goes from $1,000 to $50,000. Okay. You have terms that go from they are either 3 or 5 years, depending on your needs. And the rates go from 3% to 36%. And the loans is unsecured. So this is really good. And we love the fact that with Upstart, things can move really fast. You can get approved within 12 hours. We have seen that. And it definitely depends upon how quick you're able to supply to them your materials in terms of your ID, your proof of income, your proof of financial situation, your bank statements, your tax returns if needed, all that kind of stuff. And the thing is, when you're applying through Upstart, your credit score is not damaged because you have a soft pull only. So you are not losing anything, okay? And the interest rate is kind of, the delta is pretty decent. You're looking at 3.09% to 35.99%. So this is really good. This is not really a bad thing. And overall, this is a loan that we love a lot. And we love the fact that their customer service is fantastic. They will work with you. They will answer any questions that you have. Fantastic. Number 1, the best of the best in our view. The best of the best in our view is PenFed. Our score 10 over 10. And with PenFed, a soft pull is possible. So Pentagon Federal is a credit union, so you need to be a member. But again, to be a member, you don't have to have military affiliation, biological affiliation, geographical affiliation, or professional affiliation. In other words, you can just give them a call. They'll open your. They used to have this military requirement this back in the days, but now this credit union is open to anybody nationwide. Okay, and so with PenFed, you have rates that go all the way to 4.99%. Think about that, 4.99%, and the loan amounts up to $50,000, and the terms up to 60 months. And you can use the money for anything. You can check, first of all, you can check your rate without affecting your credit score, right? That's a soft pull. You can use the money for debt consolidation, home improvements, transportation, medical and dental, life and events. The choice is yours. The call is yours, okay? And we love the fact that there is no early payoff penalty, no origination fee, no hidden fees. And so the process is very simple. You check your rate without affecting your credit score. You select from multiple pre-approved offers, and you'll receive your money within 1 or 2 business days after verification. So we love that. So when you think about Navy Fed versus PenFed in terms of personal loans, PenFed is really the best because they have the soft pull feature, and they are also really fast in terms of getting back to you and giving you the funds. Before closing this conversation, I want to quickly talk about. I really want to talk about an easy loan online. What do you mean by that? So basically, online loans are personal unsecured installment loans offered by online lenders and some traditional banks and credit unions. Okay, so broadly, online credit products may take the form of a line of credit, a cash advance, a loan, or other loan options. Big decision time. Let me ask you a question. Do you currently have an online loan with you? How was the process? Or are you looking for an online loan? How quickly do you want that? Is the money, is it for an emergency, or where do you bank right now? What do you bank? Because the thing is that with an online lender, you don't have the benefit of opening a checking account or savings account and actually trying to build a relationship as you would do with a bank or credit union. Okay, so think about that. So do you need a car repair loan, a home repair loan, a debt consolidation loan, a loan to help pay off medical debt? What do you need the money for? Because this is important. This is going to help you understand whether you should go to Avant, or let's say Upstart, or Lending Club, or whatever. Okay, and the thing is that there are some benefits of getting an online personal loan, because you have the ability to pre-qualify for a rate without a hard credit inquiry. This is really important. You have a convenient online application process. You have less strict qualification requirements. You have competitive rates and fees, and you have accelerated approval and funding times. If you were to think about, let's say, a traditional bank, funding will probably take 3 to 7 business days. With an online loan, you are looking at 24 hours, or in some cases 12 hours, if you submit to them all the paperwork that is needed. Okay, and you can definitely get a personal loan online. Even if you have bad credit, we have actually bad or fair credit. We have covered this on numerous shows. Just go into our database to identify which video you want. But yes, there are options for bad credit, fair credit, good credit, excellent credit. Okay, and so what are the steps to apply for an online personal loan? First of all, you need to submit a pre-qualification request, if available, to at least 3 lenders. You want to choose the lender that offers you the best overall deal and fill out your official loan application. And you want to promptly send any additional documentation the lender requests and e-sign your promissory note, your loan agreement. And you just need to wait to receive your funds. So the big question is it safe to get a personal loan online? Yes, definitely. If you had asked me this question 20 years ago, I might have given you a different answer. But nowadays, there are so many players, there are so many options that yes, it's definitely safe, not a problem. It's as safe as getting financing from a traditional bank, as long as the lender has a secure website and is otherwise reputable. And all the 10 players that I have reviewed in today's conversation are reputable. Okay, and so before submitting your personal information online, please confirm that the lender has an up-to-date SSL certificate and all data is adequately protected via encryption, right? And you also want to watch shows like this one. You want to read reviews. You want to look up any complaints that your particular lender may have received with various agencies, such as the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. It's so important, okay? Of course, we are talking about money, 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 money. And the whole idea of this show here is to make sure that you don't make any mistake with your money, with money that you are going to receive, with money that you're going to pay back to a lender, okay? And you can also, in some cases, you might be able to get a personal loan with no credit check if you are able to show the lender that you have enough assets. In other words, you can show them your bank statements, or you allow them to connect connect their system to your bank account, so they can see the movement. They can see cash movements, cash flow, cash inflows, and cash outflows. Okay. And one thing I also want to say here is that the bottom line is you want to do a more evaluation and make sure that your lender also lends in the states that you are currently in, because lending is a state affair, is regulated at the state level. So you might have a lender that is that operates maybe in 45 states and not in all 50 states. So please double check that aspect of things. Before I close today's conversation, please check out this short video. We have a loan evaluation approach methodology on this show that is very strict, and in how we review, how we categorize, and how we list business loans, personal loans, business credit cards, personal credit cards. So please check this out. Okay, quick recap here, folks. In today's conversation, I was talking to you about the top 10 largest and easiest loans online. Number 1, PenFed, 10 over 10. Number 2, Upstart, 10 over 10. Number 3, we have Navy Fed, 9.5 over 10. Number 4, we have Best Egg, 9.5 over 10. Number 5, we have Avant, 9 over 10. Number 6, we have Upgrade, 9 over 10. Number 7, we have Lending Club, 8.5 over 10. Number 8, we have OneMain Financial, 8 over 10. Number 9, we have Credit Ninja, 7.5 over 10. And number 10, we have Up Loans, 7 over 10. Thank you so much for your attention. I really appreciate it. I'll see you next time. But until then, remember, stay marvelous.